Okay, let's see what A says. We had to complete the squared. Now I'm going to firstly just write this in the correct order there. X squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 4y. And if you bring that across, it's negative 3. Now, if you complete the square, I'm just going to do this quickly. Half the coefficient of minus 4 is negative 2 all squared is 4. And then we do this here, y squared plus 4y. We add 4 again there. Half the coefficient of y, which is half of 4, is 2. 2 all squared is 4. And then don't forget to add the 4's on the right as well. This is a perfect square, x minus 2 all squared plus y plus 2 all squared. That's a bit awkward. Let's make it a bit neater there. And what it looks like is this. So it's plus y plus 2 all squared. And that's 8 minus 3 is 5. So your center here is going to be 2 and negative 2. And the radius of the circle is root 5. Now in the B part, it said show that the circle in A touches the circle this guy. Now the center, let's just rewrite this circle here. If you've got this, the circle x minus 4 squared plus y minus 2 all squared is equal to 5. The center here is 4, 2, and the radius is the root of 5. So they've got the exact same radii. Now watch this. If you look at this carefully, you've got the one circle that's got a center of 2, negative 2. The other circle has got a center of 4 and 2. And what we want to do is, and we know that the radius of this one is root 5. The radius of this one is root 5. So if you look at the distance between the centers, let's call the center A and B. Then the length of AB is 2 root 5 there. Okay, it's 2 root 5. Okay, now if we use the distance formula, we could probably confirm this to see if you got A, the whole of AB is 2 root 5. Now let's see. In other words, it's that plus that. Now let's confirm it using the distance formula. If we go AB squared, that gives you 4 minus 2 all squared plus 2 minus negative 2 all squared there. So AB squared gives you what's that? That's 4. 2 squared is 4 plus 4, that's 4 squared is 16. Okay, so what is that going to give us? AB squared is equal to 20. So AB is the square root of 20, which is the square root. Your calculator would do this for you if you did that, which is 2 root 5. And look at it. It's exactly so. If you use the distance formula, the distance between the centers is the sum of the two radii. So the circles must touch each other. And this is a wonderful question, so be aware of this. It comes up often in exams. Okay, stay with us. We'll look at more exam questions in the next lesson.